Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to switch between columns and rows in Excel. Why would you want to know how to switch between columns and rows in Excel? Well, maybe you have a table and want to switch between its columns and rows. So, today I'm going to show you how to switch between them. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Now we have the columns and rows. Let's mark our table, then copy, Ctrl C, then click right, paste special, and choose transpose. Press OK. Now had switched. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to switch between columns and rows in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to switch between them, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.